Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see this smoky eyeliner look that I came up with, just keep watching and I'll teach you how. Today I'm going to be using only the black out of the Smoky Hard Candy eyeshadow palette, but then I'm going to be using this brush, which I usually use for my eyebrows, but I'm going to be using that to smoke it out, and we are also going to be using some of the butterfly eyeliner that I have. Alright, so let's get started. I already have tape on my eyes too, as you can see. So we get that like nice line, because it helps me a lot with eyeliner. So I'm just taking the eyeshadow right now and just kind of doing a light line. Moment. Now I'm gonna go in with the pen side and just go wicked close to my lash. Now I'm gonna take more of that eyeshadow and kind of make it look like it's smoked up. I'm gonna go in with this brush and just blend that. Today I'm going to start with the Smoky Hard Candy eyeshadow palette, and I'm only using the black in here. And then I'm going to use this Perfect Eye and Lip Liner pencil, and it's just black. It's kind of hard to see. The two brushes I'm going to be using today are these ones. It's a little angled brush that I usually use for my eyebrows, and then this we're going to use to kind of blend up the eyeliner and the eyeshadow together. I already have tape on my eyes, and yeah, let's get started. First, I'm going to use that angle brush and get some of the black eyeshadow. And just start by putting that on the bottom. And I'm going to do the wing a little bit bigger because I want it to be more dramatic. Now I'm going to take the eye pencil and put that really close to my lashes. Take that angle brush and blend it. I'm going to take this brush and then get a little bit more, excuse me, of the eyeshadow and put it on top of the eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go do the other, oh I got some on my face. I'm gonna go do the other eye and I'll be right back with you guys. Now that I did both eyes, and I took the tape off, this is what it looks like. I'm going to go glue on some fake eyelashes, and then that'll complete this look. I'm going to also put on some mascara on the bottom lashes, which I'm going to be using this lengthening mascara by BB. And yeah, I'll be right back. So this is the final look now. I ended up putting a little bit of eyeshadow underneath on my lower lash line to like kind of smoke that out too, because it looks a little weird without it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my newer videos. And thank you for watching.